From our yesterday's analysis on gold, we were looking for sales and see how price did us justice. All this was a good amount of pips, points, whichever name you want to call it, and that was around 4,215 points. So yeah, that is the trade that I did give out to my VIP yesterday. So let me just show you before the trade play out. Let me just show you real quick right here. So I say your gold has given us our entry confirmation, but currently at a very crucial zone. Remember the previous video also said kind of risky to take a sell there, but then I also said once I get my confirmation I'm going to take my entry, right? So I took it, and then I say I won't advise anybody to take it unless they're okay with the loss. I mean the risk, right? So yeah, right there. So this is a video explanation, and of course this is when she started dropping around 2000 points, 2116. And of course guys, I took the trade. I just don't talk. I took the trade. Let's go. This is profit. Let's go. This is when she hit take profit. That was around 4215 points, and this is it right there. $463 in profit and $460 withdrawal, right? So I bet, let me just show you something.
B 1,215 points. See, come on, go. Hey, baby. And take profit here.
Boom. So that is when gold did hit take profit, right? So real quick, let's just remove everything and start afresh, because it's a new day, and let's see if we can capitalize on any move, go with what the market will be doing. But then before that, let's just talk about our euro card trade. Remember, we're still holding our euro card trade, and since yesterday we had form C, I saw that the market reversed, which is still okay, guys. Remember, I'm still holding my joint, because why? We are still in an uptrend. I don't care about this pullback. I'm not looking for sales. Why will the market decide to drop, and yet we still on an uptrend, right? So I'm still okay until I see price going back and taking out this low right here. Then that will be a confirmed sale. Then we should be looking for something different. But for now, we've seen that price has been breaking structures, creating highs and breaking those highs. Higher high, higher low, breaks this high, creates a new high, comes down to create a new higher low, then broke out of that new higher high right there, created a new high, and now gave out a new higher low right there. So I'm anticipating we're still going to take out that high right there, and see what price is trying to do. So I don't have a problem. Like I said before, guys, I'm just going to hold my trade. Now this is something that I also came up with. Once I've taken my trade, I know I'm risking 1%, and of course targeting maybe 1:3, 1:4, right? So I don't care about the pullback. If the market decides not to hit my take profit, let's say this euro card goes and miss my take profit with even 0.1 pip, then it decides to come back and stop me out, that is okay. I won't cry over this, because that's 1%. The last thing I want to do is start adjusting or trailing my stop. Say, oh, okay, price did break out of this, so let me just trail my stop. Let me have my stop loss right here, for example. Let's say I did that yesterday. You see, price will have taken me out, then you see price going towards your anticipated direction. So remember, from the start, I've decided I'm risking 1 and I'm going in for 1:3, right? So it's either the market or price takes my stop loss or hits my take profit. Either. Nothing. I don't want to trail my joint, right? It's either hit my take profit or price hits my stop loss. If it hits my stop loss, the next trade, probably if I get a win, is going to be another 3% in, right? So this, the 1% won't count. If I get another position, for example, I take a loss, I'm down 1%, so left with 2%. Next position, if I take a loss once again, I'm down 1, I'm left with 1. Next position, if I take a win, I'm up 3 plus 1, I'm up 4, right? The next trade, if I get a win plus another 3, so that's 7%. If the next trade, the next trade also a loss, that's 1%, I'm back to 6%. A win is a win, right? So I don't want a scenario when I trail my stop loss, then now price stops me out on a break even or even on a 0. Let's just say on a 1% win. Because if I keep on going in and I'm making 1% win, what happens when the market decides to take me out? So I won't be doing a thing, right? So real quick, let's just start and analyze gold and try to see what she's up to. Go back to the daily. Correct. Remember we talked about double top impulse, right? So from based on the daily, all I see that gold gave us a good impulse phase, so we can mark out this level right there. So we all see we had this impulse phase, and remember my target was this level right here. Correct. That is what my anticipated direction that gold wanted to go, maybe to target right there. So when you go in with the 1:3, of course my take profits was around 400 and 4,200 something points, right? Good. Now, so right now we've seen gold giving us a double top, basically double top, something like this. So like we said, this is just an impulse, so probably this might just be an anticipation that gold is trying to give us just a pullback. Who knows? Pullback before we continue dropping. Why am I still looking for sales and yet I've seen the market has started going up? Why will I look for buys and yet all this is just bears? The bears are in control. Why will I look for buys? The only time I should be looking for buys is this. Let me just take out this, for example, this. Now, if gold does this, let me remove this. If gold does this, something like this. Now, if you look at this clearly, this is a new trend. Price will be creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, something like a higher low right there. Now, when I see this kind of pattern, that is when I start looking for my buy entry, not sales, right? But for now, we don't see this kind of a move. We see price is going down. So I'm looking for selling opportunity until I see gold, start to create new trend, which is bullish trend. So let me flip this joint right there real quick. Correct. So we can mark out this right there. This is just a pullback. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you anticipate lower low right there before probably go up. I know why you're wondering why is low. Remember, flip my screen. This is it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Correct. Now, this is another anticipation. If gold starts to buy, goes up, breakout, retest, then starts printing this kind of a thing, guess what? This is when we start looking for buy positions. Something like this. I don't care even if it takes 10 years to get that opportunity. Be patient, wait for the market to give you your setup, and that is when you attack, right? You don't need to trade every day. Correct. Now if you see gold trade, that was the first trade that actually I did take this week. I've not taken any trade. That is the only trade I've taken this week so far, because that's the only setup I've seen. Talking about euro card, that is a trade that I did take last week, because that's the only setup I had last week, and I'm still holding till now, right? So let's just continue on gold. Right, so right now, like we say, we're still anticipating a retest. Now if we get our entry property right here, we might look for sales. Sometimes it might not retest that level, right? It might go back. Maybe you see right now we currently cruising at this resistance that was previously support. It might decide to reverse from that. But then if I see gold reversing without giving my properties, I'm not going to take my entry. If I see gold reversing with my property, I'm going to take the entry. Right? That's it. Now, let me go back and analyze Usdjpy real quick. Usdjpy, I was looking for amazing buy yesterday around I think when price was around this level right here. Was waiting for my property, but then news dropped, and now we've seen in the morning, we've seen JPY has moved up all the way. Let me see how many. That's 295 pips, around 2000 points. So right now she's not giving me my property, so I'll not do anything. I'll let it go. Right? It's still okay. So I'll remove that and go back to maybe the next JPY. Also, Usdjpy or Usdjpy was also looking nice yesterday when I was anticipating my entry properties around this level right here before news dropped. Right now we see she's going up. So for now I've not seen any properties of mine that I was looking for, so I'll let it go. Let's see. Not looking nice. Euro odd gone. Oh yeah, Euro cat. Let me see, what's this? Euro CHF. Okay, won't fall for that head and shoulder anyway. Euro JPY, we've just talked about that. GU not looking nice though. Okay, let me see. GBP USD was looking nice yesterday. Oh, that was hidden. Oh, that's amazing though. That was hidden. This one was really hidden, guys. If I saw this, I could have looked for sales, but then I was already in gold sales, which is still okay. Anyway, let's go in and start to look for another pair. Oh, GBP AUD was also another one. This was a good one, basically. I remember entry right there. Stop loss was around 40 pips. No, 60 pips, sorry. 180. Around here. GBP AUD, I mean 180, not 190. Maybe right there. We also had Euro NZD, GBP NZD. Those were amazing trades too. They had clean setups. How was that? Euro NZD and GBP NZD. They had clean setups. Yeah, remember right there. You see, yeah, still there. Stop loss was around almost 80 pips. Take profit around 42. That was amazing. Where is Euro NZD? Oh, right here. Yeah, right there. I think you see that too. 64 pips and take profit 185. Good trades. Good. So I think I should remove this. I don't need it. So for now I don't see any clean setup, guys. No clean setup. USD nothing. CAD JPY was also waiting for setup yesterday night. News interfered with everything. Let me remove it. So yeah, today is Friday. Oh, today is Thursday. Crazy. So this Thursday basic. Oh, what's this? USD CHF. Oh yeah, I remember this too. 30 pips, 102. Still not bad. What's this? Usdjpy was anticipating a buy over here before news dropped. Never had my position though, so you just need to be patient. Like I said before, if I don't see my properties or my entry, I don't do a thing. Let me just go with my edge. Better I take 1 or 2 trades a week than just trading for the sake of it. What's this? GBP CHF is not looking clean. Oh, GBP card was also nice, I remember. Yes, sir. Nade. GBP AUD, I just showed you that. So apparently I can't see anything. right? So for now, I think I'm still riding this wave. Was this euro card? Let me just send you the screenshot and show you that I'm still riding this wave. In fact, if I send you the screenshot, you might think that I just said it. So I'll record my screen, my phone screen, and show you how the trade is playing out real quick. And of course, I should, yeah, right. So the screen is recording basically. Still riding the wave right here, right? So you see. Oh, but anyway, I'll still hold on till take profit. Check out my Telegram link in the description box, guys, and adios, amigos.